What's up, y'all? Mark Reed airbrushing, restoration, you name it, we do it. Just finished all my body work on this chevelle. Getting ready to start my final glaze process. I've been hand blocking for 2 weeks on this body work, which the car was in very good shape. Every piece of metal on here has been replaced. Even the roof, inside roof structures, all floors, every piece of metal on this car is brand new. So I'm gonna take y'all around this thing, show you what I've done. None of the gaps were perfect, so I made sure all the gaps lined up as they would for a show quality vehicle. Redid all the gaps in this trunk. They were a little wide, so I closed them up. Back of the trunk lid here had a couple little bad spots in it, which I welded the letter hole shut that says Chevelle across there. So all my first step mud work is done. So now I'll put glaze on top of all this, spread it a lot farther out. That way I can make 100% sure that all my body work is straight as it can be. Used all these Durablocks. Never touched it one time with the air tool. Now I gotta finish sanding all the primer, finding any little wave I can find before I start my glaze process. Sorry, my phone keeps going in and out. This here I had, there's a couple spots here I put, what's it? Pinhole. Stuff on there that covers pinholes. I was just testing it out in my new bottle I got, but I'm gonna glaze it instead. Just tweaking it all up. All this piece here had a wide gap in it, so I redid it, closed it up, made sure it was even all the way across, nice and tight. Even the rain guard has been added. All the pinch welds, all mudded, nice and smooth. I'll show you here, I used the Rage Gold, best mud on the market, and then I'll put this metal final glaze on it. I use a mud board, just tear the paper off. Anything that makes it easy. And this rain guard here, it's got a little lip inside this rain guard that when they leaded them to join the metal, which we welded it and put a plate over top of it so it's smooth, but the rain guard was inside here, this lip was gone, so it took me an hour just to redo this lip inside there, and that's the tedious parts of my job. See how I added a little mud on that inside lip, and now I'll go back and tape that part up and then add mud here, and that way it'd be joined together and it'll be a little build up. It's supposed to have this lip, you can see it, that lip's supposed to follow all the way down through there. So even factory didn't have it in there because it was leaded. So what else do we got? Yeah, that's about it. Turned out pretty good. So appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't, go and subscribe, like, share, comment. If you see I've done something wrong, let me know. Appreciate you.